Everybody, that is...
Happy birthday, Ira!
Naku, mas malakas. Huh? Now, this is only a sample song. Can you play the music? Kanina ko makakayaw na sa kulay ko na happy birthday. Pati ako nabigla. Nakatingin pa ako sa cellphone. Nabigla. Pero, dalawa lang kayo sumigaw, eto tatlo. Diba? That is only the sample song. Sample, mommies, can you tell me the title of that song? It's... But don't worry, that is only a sample song. Now, this is our main game. The first who can make 5 points, that will be the winner. So easy. First who can make 5 points. But, minimum of 4 ang sisigaw ng happy birthday. Minimum of 4. Now, if you know the title of the song, I want you to share it to your member and shout happy birthday, Ira. That's easy. Is it good? Alright, ready? Now, let's have song number 11. Song number 11 was 70s song. This is a 70s song. And reminders, mommies and daddies, the music is from the eras of 70s, 80s, and 90s. Now, this is a 70s song, and Earth, Wind, and Fire sing this song. Kung makahappy, ikaw naman kung makatalong ka, naglanaks ka na ba? Alright, si Daddy sa mga nauna ha, everybody. Daddy, pero kung mali yung ano, you can still. Ha? Daddy, sabay-sabay. Tell me the title of that song. It's...
Let's Groove Tonight!
Alright. Tonight. Let's check it. Is it Let's Groove Tonight? Okay. That's the title. So, Daddy's got the first. Wow. So, the score is 1-0. 1-0 na. Now, let's have song number 14. Song number 14 was an 80s song naman. This is an 80s song. And Madonna, sarap ng unan. Kung happy birthday sila, talagang may ganun pa. Close. O, tingnan mo, hindi mo pala alam mo. Chismosa. Pagkatapos mag-happy birthday, ano ba yun? Mosa. Sabay-sabay, mommies, ha? Mommies, tell me the title of that song. It's... Material Girl. It's Material Girl. Let's go there. Alright. So the score is all 1. 1 all. Huh? Now, this time, let's have song number 2. Song number 2 was 90s song. This is a 90s song naman. And I know that you are familiar with the dance step of this song. Kung mga ito mo nang bibigla kayo, buti na lang, decaffeinated yung ano ko, kape ko. Nauna nga kayo. Masyadong selosa itong mga daddies natin. Daddies, sabay-sabay, malay mo mali. Daddies, tell me the title of that song is... Macarena! You know how to do that, di ba? You just follow me, like this. Come on. And this, and this, Well, let's give a big hammer and honey. You got it. So the score is 2-1. Mangiyak-iyak ka na. Kahit hindi mo alam ang sagot, happy birthday, Ira pa din. Alright, so the score is 2-1. Let's have song number 7. Song number 7 was 70s song. This is a 70s song. And village people sing this song. Nauna ka kasi, sir, pero ito na mga nauna, ha? Parang, kaidaran, alam niya talaga agad, no? But you know what she says? YMCA. Hindi, alam niya. Sinabi niya nga eh. Sinabi niya. Alright. Mami, sabay-sabay, ha? Tell me the title of that song is...
YMCA!
Ang galing mo naman, mother, kasi kaidaran. Talaga alam niya, di ba? Anyway, the score is 2-all. All to... Let's have song number 3. Minimum of 4 and sisigaw, Daddy. Ha, ikaw lagi. Ayaw sumigaw, ha? Ayaw sumigaw. Daddies and mommies, song number 3 as an 80s song. This is an 80s song. And Boy George. Ano na sila, ha? Ano na? Tingnan ang chismoso, tingnan ang pinapala. Alright. Malay mo mali. Pag mali, you can steal. Daddy, sabay-sabay. Tell me the title of that song is...
Karma Chameleon!
Ang galing mo talaga sa iyo, Alright. So the score is 3-2. 3-2, ha? Let's have song number 16. Song number 16 is an early 90s song. Early 90s. And Bangles. Nagkakadabulod. 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 Tama ka na naman. Di ba? Okay. Mommies. Kapantita na nag-work pa. Pero mahilig sa music. Anyway, mommies, tell me the title of that song. It's...
Manic Monday!
You got it! So the score is 3-all. 3-all, ha? Now, let's have song number 6. Song number 6 is an 80s song. This is an 80s song. And Michael Jackson. Nauna sila. Nauna kayo, kamis, ha? Okay? Malay mo, mali yung sagot nila, you can steal. Ano yung sagot nyo? It's... Thriller ang sagot nila. Kayo, ano ang sagot nyo? Thriller din ang sagot nyo. Parang, pakinggan nga yung sagot nyo, pati nga.
Mali. Binit. Binit.
Naku, pare. Naku, madaya. Madaya. Di ba? Ay, sayang. Sabi ko sa inyo thriller eh. Walang thriller. It's birit. Okay? Pareho kayong mali ang sagot. Okay. This time, let's have song number 5. Song number 5 is the 90s. It's a 90s song. And Shaggy sing this song. Sabi, may gusto. Tingnan mo sa BTR, you know. Alright. Alam nyo kasi lagi sinasabi ito ng daddies eh. No? Diba? And daddies, ito yung punchline nyo lagi kay mami. Say, what is the title of that song? It's...
It wasn't me!
It wasn't me. They got it! Alright? Okay, the score is 4-3. One more to go, daddy. 2 more to go, mommy. Let's have song number 13. Song number 13 is an 80s song. And Nauna rin ang mami, sana una, ha? Okay, o, may kamay pa.
May kamay pa eh.
Eto. Alright. Mommies. Alam nyo, no? Alam nyo na sagot, di ba? Mommies, tell me the title of that song. It's... Let's give a big Okay. Next part is for all. Final round, okay? Now, let me ask the audience. Audience, you can help me kung sino mauna. Is it the mommies? Is it the mommies or daddies? Hindi ko kayo titignan, ha? Sa audience ako nakatingin. Audience, ha? Can you help me to find out sino unang magsisigaw ng happy birthday? Who can chant happy birthday? Let's have song number 12. Song number 12 is an 80s song. Tingnan nyo, audience, kung sino muna, mommies or daddies, ha? This is an 80s song. And Rick Ashley. Sino na una? Is it daddies or mommies? Huh? Is it daddies or mommies? Can you pinpoint where is it? Is it right or left? Let me see your hand. Is it right or left? Tingnan mo yung mga bata. Kung nakalap sila. Malay mo naman mali. Ayan naman, parang binit lang yan eh. Okay? Tingnan natin ha. Mommies, tingnan mo nga kung tama yung sagot nyo. What is the title of that song? It's...
Never gonna give you up.
Never gonna give you up, but... Wait. I'm giving you a chance. Daddies, to win the game. It's... Tingnan natin ha, kung ano yung sagot. Daddies, what is the title of that song? It's...
Together forever.
Together and forever. Daddies win the game! Anyway, daddies will get this. Mommies will get only one prize there na lang. You can take your prize for your kids. Don't talk. Lagi ba na kumuha ka ng prize?
Ano? Maliit lang. Dinaan sa sharp.